Hello everyone, this is a Windows Form application to show you how you can add media player to play video in a WinForm application. Firstly, I should add a reference, a COM reference, a library with name Windows Media Player. I added Windows Media Player here. I checked. And after that, I should add the toolbox. I should add the Windows Media Player in toolbox component. I should find it. It's here. I checked and okay. Now I will have the Windows Media Player here. I can drag it and put it here. Resize the control, and I have a button here to select the file. It's so simple, simply with open file dialog, but I add some codes based on the previous video to resize the control. Depend on the resize of form. I want to change the size. If I change the size of form, the control should resize. I define a rectangle and I define a resize event for form and rectangle, and I save the original form size, and I use these codes in the resize form. This is so simple to select file. Now I want to start the project and show the result to you. I select a sample file. Okay, it's playing. When I change the size of form, the size of control will change based on the form. Okay, I will put the link of codes in the description of the video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.